In this lesson, we will understand the advantages of AI agents. So let us start. AI agents are transforming the way organizations and individuals work. By automating complex processes and operating tirelessly around the clock, they deliver unmatched efficiency, scalability, and reliability. Let's explore the key benefits they bring. The first one is enhanced efficiency and productivity. Streamline both routine and advanced tasks, freeing humans to focus on innovation, creativity, and strategic decision making. Next is data driven decision making. Process and analyze massive data sets to uncover patterns, generate accurate forecasts, and empower smarter business decisions. Next is superior customer experience. Provide 24 by 7 support with personalized interactions, ensuring faster resolutions and more meaningful engagement with customers. The last one is high scalability. Seamlessly handle large volumes of tasks and coordinate complex systems such as healthcare networks or global supply chains. A key advantage of AI agents lies in their remarkable capacity to boost efficiency and productivity. Unlike conventional software, they are designed to handle complex multi-step workflows that once demanded human oversight. By continuously processing information, making decisions, and coordinating tasks across diverse systems without interruption, AI agents streamline operations and significantly cut down project timelines. This automation not only accelerates organizational performance but also liberates human employees to concentrate on strategic, creative, and high value initiatives, ultimately maximizing overall output and innovation. In this lesson, we saw what are the advantages of AI agents.